What's up, guys? Just wanted to give y'all an update on the Ricebox Evo. We are currently in the rebuild phase. As some of y'all know, I started lifting the head sometime last year. Basically, I guess 36 pounds of boost for a couple years will do that on a 3076R. And it wasn't overheating, but it was pushing coolant into the overflow. And I just decided, you know what, it's time to refreshen the motor. So we got a new head gasket in here, along with some new studs, the 625s. And that pretty much caused a snowball effect that most of y'all might know. I went ahead and got the head done by 4-piston, just got new valves in there and got it decked. Make sure it was nice and straight. Then I got a Morrison Fab manifold. Got it Cerakoted, looks pretty cool. And this year I decided to downgrade to a smaller turbo. This is a G25 660. So a little bit better for the track I'm gonna be running at, which is Harris Hill, as some of you might know. And what else have we done? We did a freshened up trans, TRE freshened it up for us, along as well as a transfer case. He freshened that up. I was on the stock trans and stock transfer case, so we got that. And we also changed out the clutch, so it's no longer going to be a Quartermaster unsprung twin disc. Now it's going to be a Exedi twin disc sprung, so it'll be better at the track. So the other clutch, I basically had to rev match to downshift, and I was losing a bit of time there for sure. And on the street, it was an on and off switch. It was pretty brutal. What else have we changed? So I just welded a new lower intercooler pipe, that black one, for the new turbo. I still have to make a down pipe, so that's next. And then the screamer pipe out the hood. You already know how the Ricebox gets down. I got to weld up, well, I'm currently welding up a catch can here on the trans, kind of STM inspired. I've been working at that. It's taking a bit longer than I thought, honestly. It's gonna end up pretty cool. Here's my old one that I just welded up pretty quick. It held a lot of oil, as most of y'all know. Once you build a motor on these things, it builds up a lot of crankcase pressure, throwing a lot of oil. So basically every 30-20 minute track session, I was getting about almost a quart of oil in the catch can, which these things are notorious for. So I made this new one, and I believe this new one holds about, I think 2.5 or 2.8 quarts of oil, so it'll be plenty enough. So that's exciting. I'm currently getting the blow-off valve powder coated to a black color. And what else have we done? I got the new Infinite Evo oil pan. I was on the Race Fab pan, but this year we decided to upgrade just to try to protect the motor as much as we can. I'm on 255 40/17 tires. They are 200 tread wear. I don't think I will, I mean, possibly on a long right-hander I could starve the motor, but we are on a Haltech, so we should have some safeties in there that should prevent that from happening, but extra protection won't hurt. Yep, that's pretty much how this thing's going. I hope to have it running in about a week or so. Just slowly working at it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope y'all have a good one.